Today we're gonna take a little trip to Richmond Town. That's the old Staten Island. It's always been there and it's got some really cool stuff to look at, so let's go check it out. Alright, first things first, I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, small hot, cream 2 sugars. I am not, worthy of giving you this tour right now. And also, there's an Eggers ice cream in Richmond Town now, so if that's open, I'm going to get some ice cream in this 37-degree weather. Okay, so it's cold, but it is a beautiful day today. We're here in Richmond Town, but I've decided that it's an injustice for me to try to comment on any of these buildings. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to record the buildings and play some music in the background by local Staten Islanders. But I don't know, these buildings are just like too special to just like riff off of, and I kind of want to learn about them myself, so let's learn about them together. All right, here we go. Okay, once again, I underestimated how big Richmond Town actually is.
People say we belong together, I definitely agree. She doesn't feel the same way about me. I guess it's just I'm meant to be.
So, there's really only one thing left to do. That's to get some ice cream from Eggers and eat it in the freezing cold. If you've never been to Richmond Town, come on by. Also, I didn't mention, the ice cream I got was cookies and cream. That's the best flavor in the world. Okay. Until next time. I am in the middle of the street.